Good morning, boys and girls. For today's morning bin activity, we're going to get our I Can Dot My Name paper that's in your week 1 baggie. You're also going to need Q-tips and paint. So we're going to dot paint our name. So I'm going to get my Q-tip and I'm going to dot it in the red paint. Then I'm going to dot each little circle for my P. So I'm taking my time and just doing small dots. I'm going to get a little more paint. And I'm just going to dot with the Q-tip to make the first letter. Okay, now my P is done, and I want to switch colors. So next I'm going to use the orange to do my A. So again, I'm going to take my time, and I'm going to do my dots. I need a little bit more paint. You don't need to use too much paint, just a little bit will do. And I'm going to dot the rest of my A. Then I'm going to switch colors again. This time I'm going to get a little bit of blue paint. And I'm going to dot the letters for my R. And I'm going to switch again and get a little bit of purple and dot the next A. So I'm taking my time and dotting right on the circles that are there for me. Okay, friends, now it's your turn. Use your I Can Dot My Name sheet, your Q-tips, and paint to make your dot name.